Hello and welcome back to Arabic Schooling. In our first episode, we learned our first Arabic letters. Today, we are going to take those letters one step further by adding the Arabic short vowels to them. You will see how the same letter can produce different sounds when we add different vowels. This is an important step because it will help you to read Arabic words. At the end of this lesson, I will teach you one useful Arabic expression that you can use in real life. So, let's continue our Arabic journey. Last time, we had the letter Alif, Ba, Ta, and Tha. Alif is the name of the letter. Alif is the name of the letter. What we are going to use with the short vowels is the first letter, the A of Alif, the B of Ba, the T of Ta, the Th of Tha. So we will not use the whole name of the letter when we say it with the short vowels. Let's see how the short vowels look like. Short vowels here are not letters, they are signs. The sign above or under. Here you have 3 short vowels in Arabic. You have 2 more, but you will not study them now. This is the A sound that we put on the letter. So this black line is instead of the letter here. And this A above it is the sign of A. So when you have the letter and you have this blue sign above it, you say it A. If you have that blue sign below the letter, this is black one. If you have it below, then you say E. E. So the first one is A, and the second one is E. Third one is U. U, you circle your lips when you say it. You say U. So you see a circle and a tail. That circle and tail come from here to there. Because you come from right to left when you write anything. The same for the E here. It comes from right to left. And it goes down. So if you draw it like that, it's not correct. If you do it like this, it's not correct. So you just come from right to left. The same with the A, you come from here to there, above the letter. So the first one is A, the second one is E, the third one is U. Let's see how we write them with the letters. Let's say the letter is Ba. Ba. Ba is the name of the letter. When we say it with the short vowels, we will not use the whole name of the letter. We will just use the first part, which is the B. So we use the Ba with A above it. Together, it will be Ba. Ba. Here, we have the B letter. And there above, we have the A. Together, it will be Ba. The second vowel is B. The Ba letter that starts with the Ba and the E below. So together, it will be B. That B letter starts with B and E. Together, it will be B. The third one is the Ba and with the U sound. U. Together, it will be Bu. The B and you have U here. Together, it will be Bu. Ba, Bi, Bu. So you don't say the whole name of the letter ba, but you'll just say the first part, which is the B letter, that we made it with different color here. Ba. And we use it with the short vowels there. Ba, bi, bu. Now, let's do the same for ta letter and tha letter. This is the ta letter, and with a, it will be ta. Same ta letter. With the e, it will be t. Third one, the same ta letter. With the u, it will be tu. So ta, ti, tu. The same thing with the tha letter. Tha with the 3 dots. With the a, it is tha. With the thi, you put the e below. Come from right to left like this. Thi. If you want to write thu, same tha letter and put u above it. So it is tha, thi, thu. Tha, thi, thu. Again, ta, t with a, t with e, t, t with u, tu. Tha with a, fa, tha with e, thi, tha with u, thu. Now let's see how the aleph is written and pronounced. This is the aleph. With a, we don't say a from the aleph, and you have another a from the sign. So you don't say a. No, it's just one a. Exactly the same like the sound of the short vowel. So you say a. So when you see this letter, aleph, with a above it, you pronounce it all a. The same, if you see the same aleph with u above it, you don't say a, u. You don't call this one a u. No, it's just u, u, all together. So when you see this aleph with an u above it, all together is u. Aleph with a all together is a. A, like it's one letter with one sign, but it's just one sound. A. Like you say my name, Ahmed. This is the first letter of my name. A. Ahmed. Now, let's see how the aleph with the E looks like. We have the same aleph, but instead of writing it here, we will write it down here and put the E. So this is how E looks like. This is aleph with E together. Don't put it up here. No, correct. It's down here. E. So let's see how the aleph looks like with the 3 short vowels all together. Aleph with a, it's a sound. Aleph with e, it's e sound. Aleph with u, it's u sound. A, e, u. Yes. So now you have the letters, all the letters you learned. Aleph, ba, ta, tha. When you say them with the short vowels, you don't say the letter itself, but you say the first part of the letter which is the B of ba, the T of ta, the th of tha, the a of the alif. Then you say it with the short vowels, you combine them together, you say them as they are one sound. Like B with the a, it's ba. B with E, B. B with U, it's boo. Ta with a, ta. Ta with E, T. Ta with U, tu. Tha with a, tha. Tha with E, thi. Tha with U, thu. Aleph takes the same sound of the vowel, so it's a, I, u. You don't say a, I, a, u. No, it's just a, I, u. So that's all about the 3 short vowels you have today. You still have 2 more short vowels, but you're not learning them now. You learn them later. What you did here with the 4 letters, with the short vowels, you are going to do with all the letters. So you just learn it once. You will not learn anything new or different with the different letters. You will just repeat the same with the new letters. So later you will just need to know what the name of that letter is. Then you can put the short vowels with them. And now we will move to the second part, which is the expression. Last time you learned how to say good morning by saying Sabahul Khair, and you had another option, which is Sabahul Noor. You can say Masa'ul Khair or Masa'ul Noor as well. You can say Masa or Sabah and then say anything nice you want to say. We use Sabahul Khair from morning until midday. And afternoon, we don't have afternoon in Arabic. And afternoon, you say Masa'ul Khair. You keep saying Masa'ul Khair until the morning. So Masa'ul Khair is good evening. Sabahul Khair is good morning. Please subscribe if you find this interesting for you. Thank you for watching.